Cue balls. Ceramic fish. Birds. Gundam. Gangnam style. That is an American grocery store. They import stuff from the United States so we can have our yummy candy and all different types of weird beer. Hey, how's it going? So, in Soho, I saw Jack Ma at the airport. Cool. A woman having an argument with her boyfriend behind me. Popeye the Sailor Man. This guy's actually a pretty famous street artist. This is a new one. This just popped up. Lunch today is done. Lunch was fish and chips. It was really good. So this is a new piece of street art. Oh, that's his legs. Whoa, bus driving like a maniac. Have you heard from Nicky? No, yeah, they are fighting. You want to watch them? So up there, I think one wanted Chinese and the other wanted Japanese. That's my thought. Yeah, Matthew's doing well. So this is Vera Wang. We thought about a Vera Wang for my wife, but hers are really fluffy and frilly and lots of frou-frou. My wife's not really a frou-frou kind of person. Now that is a backup indicator. No, that's not my wife's dress. That is one hell of a backup indicator. Is that Mario Brothers? Oh, that's cool. So hang on, I got to take a picture of this new street art with the big camera. Okay, we're done with that. Blue Isuzu. Wow, they're opening up something new. Bakery of some sort. That was a lot of Popeyes, wasn't it? So yeah, we had fish and chips, and now we're out for a little stroll. I'm thinking of going to the Apple store, actually. Some of you complained that this headphone is a bit scratchy. I've not gotten a mixer. So I'm thinking of buying a new headset from Apple. Pretty hard here. Whoa! I was listening to one of my broadcasts yesterday, and I said, what is that little scratchy noise? I doubt it's a warranty. I'm using an old mic right now. Hey Ames, how you doing? You'll be here soon, won't you? Everybody loves this. I don't know why everybody takes a picture of this. I don't really get it. But everybody loves to take a picture in front of this thing. Maybe I should one day too. It's art. I guess so. I don't know what's so a big deal about it. What does it look like? It looks like, I guess it's like baskets or something, yeah? Hello.
Whenever Scott tells me to go somewhere that's like awesome, I just sort of
Candy on the beach, there's nothing better. But I like candy when it's wrapped in a sweater. Someday soon I'll make you mine. And I'll have candy all the time. Dun, dun, I want candy. I want candy. Let's see what they got today. Hi. Ba, 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 ba.
Change.
All right. All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Oops. Okay, yeah. Of course it's fresh. It's yummy. I'm going to eat a butterfly. They'll probably take off to this. Look at this thing. Ah. That was the yellow one. Now we're going to have a heart. I do live here in Hong Kong. I've lived here about 7 years. This is my home. This is my neighborhood. This is Soho. And this is just down from my house. Let's go this way. There's more people, yeah? I'm from Washington, D.C., but I grew up in Illinois. Candy is good. Hey, you runs away. Hola. So this is the Rice Krispie treats and an ice cream cone place. You don't need a visa for Hong Kong. Most countries don't need a visa for Hong Kong. Some do. Fire flames. Yeah. So next time you have Rice Krispie treats, just stuff them into an ice cream cone, yeah? They even had Fruit Loop treats. That's my favorite noodle shop. Hey, Mexico. Welcome to Hong Kong. Yeah, we're in the little back alleys right now. We'll go down the main road now. You know, I don't think I've ever driven on this street because it's just too crazy. But to drive on this street at lunch hour, that's just like beyond crazy. I'm a dad. I do dad stuff for work. Take care of my sons. Stuff like that. No selfie stick. My son's team lost 1-0 in a very hard-fought game. They hit the crossbar. They missed. They had a save from like 3 feet away. They should have won it, but they lost on a breakaway. My son got injured late, but he's okay. Why don't I work in I work at home. I work at home. Guess what, guys? Candy is all gone. So now we're in the center of the city. Professional dad like me get a lot of money and then marry someone who's cool with you being a dad. Yeah, I just got the wind knocked out. Oh wow, they've opened this. This is new. Oh, the hell is this? So this has been under construction for like a while. Now it's a massive screen. In fact, we're gonna go to the other side of the street so you can see how massive it is. We're gonna take a picture with the big camera. So I make video blogs, guys, on my YouTube channel, Penguin6. So sometimes you can see me on YouTube, Penguin6. It is a massive screen, so we gotta take a photo of this sucker for my Instagram, Penguin6. Good night. And now, of course, the screen's gone dark. Voyage is a large-scale digital art installation. Oh, it would look better if I took the picture from out in the middle of the street, wouldn't it? Oh, come on, get over with the freaking... I don't want this shit. Get on with the freaking art. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait for the next light. A bunch of text. That was annoying. Yeah, we'll cross the street next light, because next light we might catch the art show that's going on here. You guys can watch the art show too. It's like that scene in The Matrix, yeah? So this is a new digital art exhibit. This is 80 Queens Road Central. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? So just going to do this for an hour, though? I guess it's just going to do this for like, it's been 30 seconds now. Yeah, this would trip you out on acid. It's like this, and then people like wandering around in front of it. Kind of like lava exploding. I guess nobody is interested. Go figure. Let's go back to the street, yeah? Take a picture from out there. Got it. Okay. On to the Apple Store. Sorry about the delay, guys, but it was kind of cool looking, yeah? Watch the documentary. Yeah, I live it, dude. This is Hong Kong. We got ivory everywhere. Yeah, the scumbag ivory dealers are all over the city. I thought it would do something else. It's still doing that matrix thing, yeah? This is like the worst place to notice you have an untied shoelace. So we're gonna go wide here. Whoa! So actually I have to go home and make a video. I'm doing a video today on how to use a drone in Periscope. You know, the sidewalk was narrowed back there due to construction, so it was a bit crowded. Back here, it's a bit wider. And my shoelace is now officially gone. Hang on a bit, guys. We're gonna take a momentary shoelace break. There we go. Oh. Shoelace has been tied. What is that? Oh. And the camera got backwards. Yeah, I saw that. Walk through the crowd filled with beautiful women or go through a dark, dingy alley? I will keep people watching. I almost went through the alley because there was nobody there. It would have been a hell of a lot easier. So what you're watching now will end up as a YouTube video later tonight, and then it'll get cut into some other footage I've made. Part of my video blog, which will be up tomorrow at 6 p.m. Oh, you guys didn't see her, did you? Every evening, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 a.m. in Hong Kong, I post a new video blog. And she's out of my life. Something's coming. Car's coming. You are in Hong Kong, in the People's Republic of China, at the intersection of Queens Road Central and Pedder Street, P-E-D-D-E-R, as we make our way over to the Apple Store to buy another set of headphones, maybe. There's a Bentley. They would be grabbed, they wouldn't be beaten up though. Which movie? They're all always undercover cops. Plainclothes officers. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, go! You're in the crowd here in Hong Kong. I'm Penguin 6, and I show you around this city every day. So if you follow me, you'll get used to this. It is a bit busy. It's lunch hour. Let's go back the other direction, yeah? Just to be confusing. Best noodles, it depends. I like cow key noodles. If you can get in, the line's always a killer. But my default place is Jimcha Key because I can always get in there easy enough. Vape store. Here, I don't even know where the vape store is. Oh, don't tell me this shoelace has come undone again. But, guys, this shoelace has come undone again. Man, I gotta learn how to tie my shoes. All right, hang on a second. Shoelace 2 Electric Boogaloo is back in operation. Yeah, somebody stepped on it. I got stepped on in the crowd back there. I'm gonna double knot this sucker this time. I do need Velcro. I need those old man slip on, slip off shoes is what I need. Or those like, self-tying shoes. Okay. Cops do have guns. I'm not using a stabilizer. I'm using my hand. Here, I'll jiggle it for you. There you go. See? No stabilizer. How high? So I find my right hand is better than my left hand. Slightly. Oh, CNBC Squawk Box. Illegal parking. My wife is calling, guys. If she calls, I'm going to have to take this call. I don't have my backup phone with me today. Here we go. This is Central Hong Kong, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna have to sign off. Wife is calling. I will see you all later.